The Ruled Surface feature allows you to create surfaces attached to edges of existing surfaces. You'll find the Ruled Surface icon on the Surfaces toolbar, and because of its potential use in designing molds, you'll also find it on the Molds toolbar. There are several types of ruled surfaces, and as you can see, the type is the first setting you must specify on the Ruled Surface Property Manager. We'll go through each of these types, beginning with Tangent to Surface. Let's skip the distance setting for now and skip to the edge selection. All types of ruled surfaces must be attached to edges. Valid edges can belong to either existing surfaces or solid bodies. In this case, I'll use the oval-shaped edge at the top of this imported surface body. You can see the resulting tangent surface lies along the same plane as the oval cut, tangent to the surrounding face. I could click OK at this point and be finished. However, I want to point out an important detail. In addition to the oval-shaped edge, I'll also select the lower edge of this fillet. Notice this edge actually has two surfaces associated with it, the surface of the fillet itself and the bottom flat face. And for this reason, the alternate face button in the Property Manager becomes active. It allows you to change the reference face by clicking on it. This way, you can choose whether you intend for the surface to be tangent to the flat bottom or the fillet face. Once you've made the necessary selections and specified the correct reference faces, all you have to do is specify a distance for the ruled surface. I'll set the value to 0.5. At the bottom of the Property Manager, you can choose whether to have SOLIDWORKS automatically trim and knit the resulting surfaces. Leaving this enabled saves you the trouble of having to trim or knit the resulting surfaces yourself using the Trim or Knit features. The last option, Connecting Surface, should be left enabled in most cases. It helps avoid the overlapping surfaces that can sometimes occur when creating ruled surfaces around sharp corners. At this point, the ruled surface is completely defined. I can click OK to complete the feature and be done. However, since there are several other types to examine, I'll simply clear the edge selections and continue with the Normal to Surface type.